Bitcoin layered model, because it is a rapidly growing ecosystem. It's currently $2 trillion worth, and it's growing. Currently broken down into four layers, describing the purpose of each of these layers in the Bitcoin network itself, and very simple analogies that is used, which I find it really fascinating. And any newbie investor, or even like-minded individuals who already are familiar with the value of Bitcoin but may miss out on these fundamental layers approach to enrich the value proposition that it provides. Because at the end of the day, it caters for different kind of use cases that are being built on top of the base layer one. So this is the point, right? Is to have this kind of segregated set of layers that are droppable in nature, but whilst leaving the base layer one to be purely a settlement layer for those high premium transactions, and within which you can store your Bitcoin holdings in your hardware wallets at the base layer directly if you so wish, which is ultimately how I'm going to be using it. I'm not going to be concerned on using the layer 2, 3 or 4 at the moment. I may decide to use part of that moving forward, but in the long term, the next 10 years, I'm going to be really sticking my holdings directly on the base layer 1, which is where the $2 trillion plus investment is held within that layer 1. So hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button and to share this video with your friends and family and colleagues at work. And I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to this channel, because I regularly post some interesting podcasts and episodes such as these, anything to do with Bitcoin, blockchain technology, and indeed the future of finance. So until next time.